Hello there, modern man. Do you find that your erections are great one day and gone the next? Well, it's not random. It's almost always fixable without jumping straight to medication. Stay all the way to the end because I'm going to show you what is the real problem and what you can do to fix it. What is hit or miss really mean? Let me ask you this. Are you still getting morning erection? Or your solo erection better than with a partner or without a partner? Is it worse when you're stressed or with a new partner? Well, let me tell you this. Intermittent ED, sometime between the age of 35 to 65, is actually common and it's very often improved with just simple lifestyle changes and reducing your stress. So let's talk about fixing the plumbing. ED is just an early warning sign of vascular disease or really blood flow problem, that the blood flow is not as strong as it used to be. And so oftentimes, just increasing your exercise duration to 150 minutes a week or exercise it 30 minutes 3 to 4 times a week will actually improve your erection and overall blood flow. And even adding in a Mediterranean diet with adding more fish and olive oil and eating more vegetables and less processed food will increase your nitric oxide and increasing blood flow. You can check out the Mediterranean diet. I put a clear link on there down below right here. Go to eatfornoed.com to get your Mediterranean diet. And so the one thing to consider is that once you eat the Mediterranean diet and exercise, you can actually lose a little bit of weight. And when you lose a little bit of weight, it will actually reduce your ED risk. And then evaluating whether you should stop smoking or vaping, it will also help with less damage to the blood vessels and also stop the damage to the blood flow. Because stopping smoking and vaping is going to be your highest ROI move to increase your blood flow. Yes, I know it's hard and I know that it's challenging. My mom was a smoker and it actually caused her to have a heart attack that caused her to die when she was 57 years old. I know how hard it was, and I watched her struggle with stopping smoking and then returning again after a year or two. So, what I want you to do is pause and rate yourself 1 to 10. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna start with changing your diet to Mediterranean diet. Check it out at eatfornoed.com, or you're gonna increase your movement because either one of those is gonna really help with your ED. One of those will help. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Don't forget also another lever that you can do that will help with the hit or miss erection is improving your sleep. Because when you sleep longer, for at least 7 hours, you will also increase your testosterone level, and that will increase your blood flow, believe it or not. So, this little simple thing that you can do to fix your hit or miss erection. These are just simple things that I want you to start doing that you can do today, that I hope that you can know that there is hope to restore your erection again. And sometimes you don't have to resort to the pill because the pill is just a band-aid. It is not fixing the root cause of the problem. In my last video, I talk about how tadalafil doesn't work because it's just not fixing the root cause of the problem, just padding the problem. It's like your car, it's smoking, it's making noises. All you're doing is just painting it to make it look better because over time, that car is going to break down if you don't treat the root cause. And oftentimes, the root cause is just tweaking your diet a little bit or maybe moving some more. So things that I want you to look out for, the red flag is that if you start to have no more morning erection and your erection is getting weaker and weaker, and you have a history of diabetes and heart disease, or you had surgery to your prostate or nerve damage, then that's when you need to go see a sexual health specialist that can do blood work to look at your cholesterol, your blood sugar, your testosterone level, and do a thorough evaluation of your blood flow status, especially a penile Doppler ultrasound down there to see what is going on and to set a specialized plan for you, because you're gonna need more of a deeper dive than that. And if this resonates with you, how we can help, just know that we have a comprehensive Get Hard system framework that can really restore your sexual function again, so that way you don't have to guess what is it you have to do, especially when pills are not working anymore, especially if you don't want to take pills. So check out the link here, and you can go to the URL link of Renew with Dr. Ann with an E at the end, ANNE, Renew with Dr. Ann, and we'll see if we can set you to renew again. And I love to help you solve this ED problem. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. Having said that, guys, just know that there are solutions to your ED, and you don't have to resort to the pill or the implant. Sometimes it just start with just basic stuff as to what you put in here, movement and sleep, and really evaluating whether you're smoking or vaping. So just little tweaks will have a lot of ROI that will pay off for you as well too, okay? So go to the link down below, Renew with Dr. Ann, and see what is possible for you. So modern man, just want to let you know that there is alternative there. Let's create a sexual revolution and just say, renew your sexual life. We will be there to help with you. So check out the link below, and I will see you in the next episode. Okay, modern men, you are not alone, and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself, it's exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.